Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix compression not reducing file size in Adobe Acrobat. So if Adobe Acrobat isn't reducing your PDF's file size after compression, it's usually because the document is really optimized, contains content that doesn't compress well, or the compression settings aren't aggressive enough. So actually guys, first you will need to try a higher compression level. So when saving the PDF, you will need to open the PDF in Acrobat, right? So you will need to go with the files here, your documents, and you will find it just right here. So just go ahead and open it, right? Or you can find them on the recent right here, right? So for example, you will need just to double click that specific PDF that you want to compress, and then here on the all tools you will find compress PDF, right? So actually to use it you will need to get a subscription, right? So all you need to do is to click right there, and then you will need to go and choose the lowest compatibility version that meets your needs if prompted, and then just save the file with a new name and compare the file sizes. So let's say the PDF optimizer or the PDF compression doesn't work with you, so you will need to go with the redact a PDF tool, right? So here just click or use your mouse and click on it, and then reduce the image resolution and image quality and embedded fonts that are no longer needed, and the unused objects and metadata, and then just save the redact. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.